Hello guys. Okay, I'm going to do another product review for you. And this time it's the Yves Veggie Cuisine Spicy Italian Veggie Sausages. I was going to buy the tofurkey ones, but these were on sale for $4.49, and the other ones were $4.99. I know I love the tofurkey, I know I love the field roast, but may as well try this one. It's vegan, a good source of protein, and this contains 4 sausages, so this is just about $1.12 each when you break it down at that sale price. I'm just going to put it in a skillet here, so I'm just adding a little bit of oil. But before I put it in the pan, I'm going to tell you what's in it. So obviously it says here, simulated sausages, contains no meat, and they're spicy. So it's spicy Italian sausage. Would probably taste really good with pasta or something. And what the ingredients are: water, soy protein, wheat gluten, soy protein product, canola oil, seasoning, natural flavors, spices which contain mustard, dextrose, brown sugar, modified cellulose, sweet red pepper granules, carrageenan, wheat starch, yeast extract, hydrolyzed soy and corn, I can hardly read this, soy and corn protein, the lighting's a little off, natural liquid smoke, potassium chloride, salt, beetroot powder, the vitamins and minerals that includes thiamine hydrochloride, riboflavin, niacinamide, pyridoxine hydrochloride. I don't know how to say that. It's the cyanocobalamin, whatever, that's the B12. In fact, what I'll just do is read the actual, instead of reading all these horrifyingly hard scientific names, I'll read the list of ingredients, the nutrients down here, the minerals. Okay, so it says they're pre-cooked. So barbecue, you can lightly grill them and preheat on medium. You can grill sausage until heated through, turning regularly and brushing with oil as needed. On the stovetop, you can lightly oil, frying with the pan, and preheat on medium and cook sausage until heated, turning regularly and brushing with oil as needed. Freezable up to 3 months. And, alright. So for every 1 sausage, 150 calories. 5 grams of fat, 0.5 grams of saturated fat, 0 cholesterol, 690 milligrams of sodium, 510 milligrams of potassium, 9 grams of carbohydrate, 2 grams of fiber, 3 grams of sugar, not too bad, 18 grams of protein, that's a lot. Vitamin A, 4%, vitamin C, 10%, calcium, 6%, iron, 30%, thiamine, 30%, riboflavin, 10%, niacin, 25%, vitamin B6, 20%, vitamin B12, 70%, pantothenate, 10%, magnesium, 8%, and zinc, 40%. So good vitamins and minerals in there. And I'm basically, my pan is heated up. I have it on medium, had it just a bit above medium, but I turned it down a little. They're big sausages, by the way, so one of these would do me for breakfast for sure. Probably that with some potatoes. I'll probably give my daughter some of this right now because it's going on closer to dinner, but I'm hungry. I hadn't really had much for lunch, so. Okay, let's just smell it. The one thing, I'll taste it first, but the one thing I notice is that, like the Yves products, or at least the Yves hot dogs, seem to have that little more tofu-y kind of taste to it. And it's not really tofu, but that meatless sort of taste, scent, if you know what I'm talking about, that you can tell it's that meatless kind of product. Whereas field roast, you don't smell that. And the tofurkey, I don't really think you smell that. But that doesn't mean it doesn't taste good. So I'm just going to saute this up here, guys. You just basically want to, do it as long as you need to. You just want to lightly brown this. And I suppose I could have it a bit higher, but I want it to warm up. Okay guys, here is the sausage. And I did one side a little too much. Oops. Ran upstairs just for 1 second. Darn it. Okay. Anyway, I've let it cool a little bit. I'm just going to cut it and taste it. Well, let's take a look at it first. Okay, so it's a more of a kind of pinky color. inside. I don't remember exactly what the tofurkey is definitely darker, and I think the field roast is darker. The most recent field roast one I had was the chipotle, so it was definitely a darker color. So anyway, this is a pinky kind of color inside. And I don't love it. It's okay. It really has the, and you can tell it tastes the liquid smoke. It just has that sort of faker meat kind of taste than the other ones have. It's still tasty, but I would buy the other ones over this. Okay, the consistency is a little more mushy. I mean, it looks sausage-like, if that matters to you. Maybe this will be perfectly delicious in like pasta or something mixed with something. I mean, it tastes fine. It's just not quite as good as the others, but I guess I should review it on its own. The second bite, I mean, you do taste sort of that fake meat kind of taste. It's not overpowering. It's not unpleasant. It's just that, no, if this was the only thing there was, I'd buy this. I'd buy it again. So it's fine. It's fine to eat. It's going to be fine mixed up with whatever you want to put it in. If you want to have it with, me, I like to have mine with potatoes and stuff in the morning. It's going to be fine with that. But knowing that the other options taste a little better, I would buy the other options. But that said, you might still like this one. Anyway, guys, that's that. Hit me up with comments below, and thanks for watching. Okay, I feel like I didn't comment on the flavor, and as I stopped the video, it really gave me that little kick, the spice. So it's definitely spicy. So if you like spicy, this has got that right amount of spice. It's got a good Italian spicy kick to it. And yeah, it's perfectly fine, as I said, but personally I just prefer the other products a little bit better. But again, also it's going to depend on the price point. If, like this I think is a lot cheaper than the field roast. The tofurkey is fairly close in price to this, but if this is a far better deal, I'd probably pick this up again, because it's definitely pleasant. I like the spicy flavor. I'll probably make some of this and put into like a pasta sauce. I'm sure it will be good. And that's all, guys. If you have any questions about this, you know, hit me up, like I said. Ask whatever, or just put comments if you've tried this, if you like it. You know, what are your thoughts? Alright, thanks for watching. By the way, I gave my daughter a piece of mine yesterday, because now's the next day, and she wanted more. So it's breakfast time, and that's what she's asked for. One of these sausages with some hash browns. So guys, it's kid approved, she likes it, and there you go. Let me know if you try it and if you like it, and thanks for watching.